Okay, so the most annoying thing that just happened to me today is when I was filming my foundation, I accidentally filmed it as a time lapse and not a video. So. Okay, hello. This is a modern Renaissance Valentine's Day eye makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go in with the shade Buon Fresco, and I'm just gonna go in and just blend that right in as my transition shade. And then I'm gonna mix the shade Burnt Orange and Buon Fresco just to give it a little bit of a warmer look. The next colors that we're gonna be using are pretty warm. And I'm just really messily just kind of putting this basically all over the eye. These transition shades will just, like, this step is really going to help the blending process in the end. It's going to make it look a lot more seamless. So the two colors that I'm really going to focus on is Venetian Red and then Love Letter. So I can't find the brush that I really want to use to pack on the shadow, but since this is just like what I have, I'm just going to go in with the shade Love Letter, pick up some color. And just pack that on. Okay, so I have that all over my lids. Nicely done. Nicely done, Maya. And then I'm just gonna go in and mix the shade Burnt Orange and Venetian Red and then start to really blend out the color. And since we put down that initial base, see, it just like is blending pretty seamlessly. Then we'll take a bigger brush, the one that we put the transition shade on with no additional color, and just kind of go with that. For a little bit more of a pigmented color, go right on my finger with the shade Love Letter. That's fucking pretty. This would look really awesome with blue eyes, I think. And then I'm gonna go in with a clean, small blending brush again and just kind of do a windshield wiper motion in my crease, just to get away any harsh lines. And this is very Valentine's Day-y, if I do say so myself. The modern Renaissance is just giving it to me. And then just with a clean, bigger, fluffy brush, make sure it's all blended. It's fucking makeup, it's fun. And then just for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Burnt Orange, Love Letter, and Venetian Red, all of those colors that we used right on the eyes. I'm just taking a pencil brush to more deposited color on the lower lash line. Ooh, ooh, we're pinky. We're feeling pretty pinky. And then for the inner corner, I'm just gonna take a really smally detail brush and take the shade Vermeer. It's just a nice pinky shade and just kind of brighten up that entire inner genre we got going on. Now that we have the eyes done, I'm just gonna go in bronze with Benefit Hoola Bronzer, starting with a large fluffy brush. I just put the bronzer right on my cheekbones and bring it up to my temple. And then bring it down below my chin. Just really warm up the face. So now that we bronzed, we're gonna contour. Kat Von D, Shade and Light, Center Shade, Shadow Play. For highlighter, use our Becca Champagne Top. I have my mascara on.